Turning out to your first alert forecast, we're joined by Chief Meteorologist Kendra Kent. And Kendra, it's one of those weeks where you become the most popular person in the upstate Western North Carolina, Northeastern. Not that you already are, I'm just saying your popularity increases even more.
Goes up, right?
Yeah,
with the snow chance.
High pressure forecast, absolutely. Well, and we just want to be very upfront with what we're seeing, and it's still, there's so much can change. Are you on team snow or team let's hope it doesn't snow? Team no snow.
No snow.
Okay.
Team no snow.
All righty.
No snow.
For the kids, maybe.
Yeah.
But she asked what team I'm on.
Right. What are you? Personally, I just hate it when the roads get really bad. That's all.
Well,
like,
nobody
I don't
go
mind.
out then. Everyone just
correct. And it will be
stay
Friday
in.
night into Saturday, so hopefully most people can hunker down as we look ahead to this.
That
So
nice.
a lot again. I have to start with this could change for sure. But the latest trends, the latest data that we're seeing, putting out snow, sleet, and freezing rain in our area on Friday would start as snow and then eventually transition to those messier precipitation types. So this all starts after lunchtime on Friday. Slippery roads are possible by Friday night. That's the first alert part, really, because this could become dangerous, especially with temperatures falling below freezing. We could have those patchy area or ice patches on bridges and overpasses, something that can really be quite scary to drive through. So we're looking ahead right now. We've got the satellite radar in, and we've got some scattered snow showers moving in from Kentucky, but not a lot of action in the mountains. The bigger story has been how cold it's been getting. In fact, the next 24 hours, temperatures drop to a real feel of 0 to 15 in the mountains and 14 to 25 in the upstate. So we've got cold air in place. The cold is going to keep coming. So that's one thing we will have ready for this system to come in. We're going to have the cold air in place. The big question mark, though, is will we be able to get full-blown snow, or will it be more of a wintry mix? And that's what we're going to be resolving. But temperatures in the morning will be starting in the 20s in the upstate, ending in the 40s. We'll make it into the upper 30s in the mountains, but it'll feel colder because of that wind. So of course our next big thing is what everyone's asking about, wanting to know, is it going to snow on Friday? We're 4 to 5 days out now, so we've gotten to the point where we're watching trends. You know, is it looking more or less likely? I'd say it's looking more likely at this point than it did even a couple of days ago, because we've seen some consistency in the data. So I want to show you the European model. This is typically the gold standard when it comes to the tracks of areas of low pressure, winter weather, and this is what we're seeing right now. And it's very similar to the American GFS model. 11 a.m. We're starting to see that wintry mix get closer. I say wintry mix, we've got snow and then that mix where you see the pink and then rain. Encroaches on our area, starts as some brief snow, but notice that pink color really taking over. That is that wintry mix, which could be sleet, freezing rain, some regular rain in the mix, and also some snow, but it's not a full-blown snow by about 5 to 6 o'clock in the evening. And unfortunately, that wintry mix sticks around through the overnight. So that means that we could see some ice accumulations, sleet accumulations, causing bad areas on the roads, and could even see power outages if we have enough in the way of ice. And not calling for that yet, but it is a possibility. We've got some snow on the back edge of it in the mountains. But the latest trends start this event as snow, but transition it as warm air works its way in. Remember, we talked about those different precipitation types. We'll see it turn to sleet and then ultimately freezing rain, as the temperature at the surface will likely stay near freezing or below. So that's the key, and that's what's going to potentially cause those bad roads. So on Friday, notice a high of 40, but temperatures drop fast when that precipitation comes in. Lows in the upper 20s. That means those roads, anything that did fall could create those slick areas on roadways. Gets out pretty fast on Saturday. So by Saturday morning, most of it's done, but we could still have a few spotty sleet areas or even some freezing rain early on Saturday before it all starts to clear out. In the mountains, first alert for the dangerous cold that has caused some schools to close for tomorrow, but then we'll be looking ahead to Friday when we have that winter weather potential.